Number 4 asks us to solve. Here we have a weird fraction. So let's start by drawing the line down that middle to separate the left and the right. So here we have two operators. Okay, we have a plus 6, and then we have a divide by 5. So you can't subtract 6 to both sides because it's stuck inside the fraction. So you have to deal with the divide by 5 first. So to do that, you have to multiply by 5 to both sides. This process, this will cancel, leaving you with just a 6. H plus 6 is left over on the left, equals to a 2 times 5, which becomes a 10. Notice we have to deal with the fraction first. So you're going to deal with the fraction first, okay? Because the plus 6 is stuck inside the fraction. That is the reason why you can't minus 6 to both sides. Now that there is no fraction, we could subtract 6 to both sides. The plus 6 and the minus 6 cancel, leaving you with h is equal to 10 minus 6, which just becomes a 4. Next, we have b. Right? Notice here, this negative 5 is not attached to any fraction. So we can just add 5 to both sides. You see, it's by itself. So this can cancel. Negative 5 plus 5 will cancel. On the left hand side, you have a 1/2 x is equal to 9 plus 5. That becomes a 14. You can see this as a divide by 2. So the inverse of divide by 2 is to multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. 2 over 2 will cancel, leaving you with just an x is equal to 14 times 2 is 28.